Optima Steamer is the first dry steam car wash machine and the most well-known industrial steam cleaning machine in the world. Optima Steamer is ideal for mobile applications such as auto detailing, recreational equipment, municipal cleaning, and disaster recovery. And it's also perfect for indoor operations, facility cleaning, maintenance, and so much more. Moreover, Optima Steamer is a food-grade dry steam generator, offers an affordable solution for industrial sanitation with unrivaled power and performance compared to steamers in its class. If you need more information, please email to sales@sjeicorp.com.